Alright, so I just want to show you guys where I'm at and stuff. I actually went on ahead and I actually sealed the inside with some seam sealer as far as where I welded and stuff at, just to try to make it, I mean, I'm sure it won't be perfect, but this should be under ironing. But I just put some seam sealer underneath there. We'll coat this first with black industrial paint, but I also did the edges here with that fiberglass fiberglass hair and stuff, just to seal the corners where I welded it. So now I'll go ahead and sand this. So we'll sand it, and after we sand it, we'll go ahead and put it in primer. I'm not going to show you guys when I sand it, because I've showed you guys that 1,000 times, but I will scuff this as well so primer will adhere to it. Alright guys, so this is what I use basically to try to encapsulate the rust or whatever, so it won't rust. I use that tractor, heavy duty tractor implement paint, and I paint the inside black, but eventually, once it dry, I'll paint the inside white to give it a better glow and everything. But just to protect it, I paint it black. So let's go ahead and put some paint on it. Yeah. It don't gotta be pretty. Alright guys, so we're ready to go ahead and paint the inside white. I finished painting it black. Everything inside took a while for it to dry, so I actually let it dry real good. Now I'm gonna paint it white inside. That way when I put my light in there, the reflection of the light will be so much brighter. And then after that, we'll come back and we'll go ahead and put the primer on it. Let me set you guys up somewhere so you can see me put this white on there. Alright, so we went ahead and put 2 good coats of primer on there. And like I said, this is just the old box, guys. I try not to be too anal about stuff like this, but I'm gonna let this probably cure. I'm not gonna let it cure overnight, not like I normally do. I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry probably about 3 or 4 hours. This hot build primer, and then I'm just gonna come back and I'm gonna go ahead and sand it down. I'm gonna actually go ahead and wet sand it. I'm not gonna go through the steps because it's just like I said, it's nothing. I'm not trying to do a showpiece car, not like that. So we're gonna let it dry, really good, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna wet sand it. And I'm not sure if I'll be able to paint it today, but first thing in the morning I'll come back and I'll go ahead and put some paint on it. All right guys, so we are ready to put some clear on this box here. I'll probably just put about 2 coats on it. So the only reason, like I said, I painted it green is because that's the original color that it was, and plus it matches the letters. So we'll go ahead and put like 2 good coats, and I will be wearing my PPE as far as protection, because that clear is nasty. Even though I got my 2 door bays open here in the garage, the green paint, it really wasn't too bad. It didn't, you know, it just sprays right directly on the surface, and plus I got the fan actually blowing everything out, so I wasn't getting no overspray or anything. But I will use my face mask because this clear is nasty. So let's go ahead and set you guys up, and let's go ahead and put a couple of coats of clear on. Alright guys, so that is 3 good coats of clear on there. I think I just showed you guys just 1 coat and stuff, and I put 2 more good coats on there. So now we're going to go ahead, I've let it dry here most of the day, and then I'm going to come back this evening and we'll put it together, and I'll cut the lights on and let you guys see how everything looks. Turn you guys back on here in a second.
Army at GoArmy.com.
This is T.C. Baker from Law Subaru Bristol. Each year, millions of people donate.
All right, guys, that's what she's gonna look like, man. She's all together.
Requested items by shelters.
All right.
Subaru and its retailers will have donated over 500.
All right, so it took us 2 days to do everything, but I think it turned out how we liked it. Everything matches really good. I just got to put the cap on there.
Bristol on Volunteer Parkway to learn how you can
All right.
support those experiencing homelessness in your
Write down comments, guys, what you think.
Subaru Bristol. Call
I tell you what, it's hot and it's about to rain. So this is gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed my sign for my shop. And like I tell you guys, man, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.